Hey, Brandon Burg with Burg Law. I have Ray Altieri with me. We're talking about community association, storm damage, and your insurance claim. And in this video, we're going to talk about the different roles of the different parties. I hear various terms that all sound very familiar, and they get sometimes used interchangeably, but they have very important meanings. And so you hear public adjuster, insurance adjuster, desk adjuster, contents adjuster, and insurance agent. And so Ray is going to help hopefully define those terms for us and help us understand who's working for who, so to speak.
So a public insurance adjuster is a state licensed adjuster that works only for the policyholder. They do not ever work for insurance companies. So they strictly work for you, the policyholder. The insurance company has a couple different types of adjusters typically. They'll have field adjusters or independent adjusters. An independent adjuster is an adjuster that works for an adjusting firm that only works for insurance companies. So they act as field representatives that work for multiple different insurance companies. They typically are the ones who maybe work with writing the estimate, taking pictures, and sending information back up the line to what you would have as a desk adjuster or a claims examiner. And that desk adjuster typically has levels of authority to release advance payments, to make specific payments, and coverage decisions. And then inside of that, it goes into different levels of management once you get to different levels of dollar values. You also have your insurance agent, which is very important. Your agent is somebody who understands your building, understands the different materials, and insures the building properly for different perils. They typically will try to help inside of an insurance claim process, but they're not adjusting your claim for you. They're more of explaining it from a insurance policy perspective.
Explaining it to who? To the
policy holder.
Okay. All right.
So they would sit there typically and say, here's your coverage, this is how it applies, and maybe answer any questions that you have internally with your agent.
Okay, good. Thanks. I hope that helps. We're going to come back and talk a little bit more about the actual storm damages that Ray's seeing here locally.